This video is designed to show you some of the key concepts we went over in Lesson 3-8 titled Dividing Larger Dividends. Our goal for today was to find the quotient of 4-digit numbers by dividing 1-digit divisors. Now the key tip for today, once again, is just to remember those key steps in solving a division problem. We looked at, does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? The D represents divide, M multiply, S subtract, C check, and then B bring down. So divide, multiply, subtract, check, bring down are the key steps into solving a division problem, and we remember it by the phrase of, does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? So the problem that we're going to look at in the video today will be 1,245 divided by 8. Remember, the number that's inside the division house is called the dividend. The number that's on the outside of the division house, the number 8, that's the divisor. Then our answer is called a quotient. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to look at will be 8 going into 1. And I know 8 cannot go into 1 because 8 is larger than 1. So because of that, I'm going to put an X right over top of my 1. Now I'm going to see if 8 can go into 12. And I'm going to divide first of all. Okay, so 8 goes into 12. I know 8 can go in there one time without going over. So 8 into 12 is 1. So we divide, and now it's time to multiply. 1 times 8, that's going to give me 8. Now we subtract. So we divide, multiply, subtract. 12 minus 8 gives me 4. I'm going to check. I know 4 is less than 8. Remember, if the answer to your subtraction problem is equal or greater to your divisor, you're going to have to change the number in your quotient. But 4 is less than 8, as we can see. So because of that, we check it. Now we bring the next number down, which is the 4. So now we have 44, and we start our steps all over again. We divide. 8 into 44 goes 5 times. Now we multiply. 8 times 5 is 40. We subtract. 44 minus 40 gives me 4. We check. 4 is less than 8. So because 4 is less than 8, now we can bring down the 5. Now it's time to start all the steps over again. We divide 45 by 8. 8 can go into 45 5 times without going over. 5 times 8 is 40. We multiply. Now we subtract. 45 minus 40 is 5. We check. 5 is less than 8, so we're okay. We don't have any other numbers to bring down, so that means our answer to our subtraction problem is now our remainder, which is a remainder of 5. So we have 1,245 divided by 8 is 155 with a remainder of 5. So it's important to remember those key steps when we're going through a division problem. We divide, we multiply, we subtract, we check, and we bring down. Remember, does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers is a very easy way to remember these steps, and that is the key concept we went over in Lesson 3-8.